Some days I'm like, fuck spitting. Nah, just kidding. I'm always crashing like my phone cause it's bug ridden. I'm just living, wishing I can better me. And fuck tripping on the past, I'ma let it be. Cause one minute I'm sitting in the rain showers, the next minute I'm surrounded by my Mayflowers. It don't take hours, it's like a roller coaster. Up and down, bump around, and the show is over. Slow down, young fella, don't blow the motor. Put your nose to the roses like a motorboater and get a good whiff. Y'all better sniff good. I'm sick of floating through my life like driftwood, and it could be worse, and I know it. If all we need is love, I'll be the first one to show it. But you beat me to the punch, so I really have to thank y'all for being flowers in the hours of my rainfall.
March winds and April showers, make way for sweet Mayflowers.
Make room.
And then comes June, come and you. March winds and April showers, romance will soon be ours.
Okay.
An outdoor paradise for two.
Verse 2, I really had to work through thoughts in my brain, plus the pain cause it hurts too. Every word's true, every thought's real, and good things tend to come about from raw deals. You got your heart broke, mad cause your car won't start, or you're late cause your clock and alarm broke. Well, my advice, don't worry about a thing. Sometimes you can't control what your life is gonna bring, so just trust, things will get better. Life can be a bitch if you let her, but I can't get wetter if I stand in this river. And I'm bitter now, pal, but I plan to forgive her. Take the good with the bad, take the bad with the green, and in time you'll be king.